How to profit using Robinhood Fractional shares. Let's get started.
From the main screen, locate your buying power amount. You can search for any company using the search bar minus most offered fractional options. For this example, I'll purchase $5 worth of Tesla stock. Tap the trade button, then select buy. The interface defaults to dollar based purchases. Minus you can switch to shares if preferred. Enter your desired dollar amount. I'll use $5 which is within my available buying power. Tap review to see the order summary showing the exact share quantity you'll receive. For $5 at Tesla's current price, you'll get approximately zero point zero 0.01 shares. Swipe up to confirm and complete the purchase. The app will confirm order received and show your updated position. Fractional shares let you build diversified positions even with limited capital. I've created additional content about maximizing Robinhood's features that I'll link below. This approach makes investing accessible regardless of your budget.
And that's it, guys. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.